This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with yet another educational video. In this video, we are going to be talking about the 75% influence the general market has on the individual stocks that we own. So, as traders, we tend to, especially those who are trading individual stocks and ETFs, we tend to spend a lot of time looking for momentum, looking for stocks, individual stocks. But one thing we should always remember is about 75% of a stock's direction is going to be directly tied down to that of the general market. As an example, we can see here with the S&P 500, take this period here from 95 to about early 2000. This was a very bullish period in the market, and it just made sense, even on hindsight, to have been more aggressive, looking for areas in the market that were lining up with the technology space at the time. And of course, we go into this absolutely devastating bear market here, and pretty much the best thing would have been to get out of the way. And then we have another bullish period here. And generally speaking, if you are holding equities, this was a profitable period. And then of course, we go into that massive bear market of 2008 into early 2009. Now, since then, we can see that generally speaking, markets have been stable to bullish. So 75% of the time, we're gonna see that if we have momentum stocks, chances are, as long as the market is stable to bullish, we are gonna see better odds of markets moving higher. Now, if this market eventually changes, when it eventually changes and starts trending lower, irrespective of the quality of the stock, individual stock that you'd be owning or looking to own, irrespective of how good a stock is doing in terms of its own individual, metrics, if the market is dropping significantly in the next bear market, 75% of the stocks generally are going to be trending lower. Now, that is true as far as the general market is concerned. Now, there's another consideration, which is about 15% of an individual stock's direction is going to be tied down to the sector. So the general market, 75%, the individual sector is going to influence an individual stock up to about 15%. So we can see here as an example, if you take a look at the solar stocks, since about the lows of late 2018, generally speaking, solar stocks have been trending higher for 2019. We can also see another quick example here is gold stocks. Since the lows again of mid to late 2018, gold stocks have had a nice run. And again, we can see that is because the sector is doing good, or at least has been trending higher. So individual stocks are going to reflect that, which leaves us a very simple number here. Approximately 10% of a stock's move is based on its own individual fundamentals. Just something for you guys to think about. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.